Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Designed for riders who want the thrill of open road touring without the challenges of balancing a heavy two-wheeled machine, this three-wheeler offers a whole new level of comfort, stability, and performance. Unlike many trikes that are aftermarket conversions, this one is engineered directly by Honda, which means it's built from the ground up to be a trike. Stronger chassis reinforcements, optimized weight distribution, and perfectly calibrated suspension make a world of difference when you're out on the road. At the heart of the machine lies Honda's signature 1,833 cubic centimeters flat 6 engine. It's the same power plant found in the two-wheel Gold Wing, producing around 125 horsepower and delivering torque that's smooth, immediate, and confidence-inspiring. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT, the ride is buttery smooth. No clutch levers, no gear shifters, just seamless, automatic-like performance with the option to manually override when you want more control. Honda has refined the handling by introducing a purpose-built independent rear suspension that allows each rear wheel to respond individually to the road surface. This not only makes the ride more comfortable but also significantly improves handling stability, especially on corners and uneven roads. The trike format eliminates the need to put your feet down at stoplights and gives riders, especially those who may be newer or returning to motorcycling, a sense of assurance and safety. It's ideal for long-distance riders who want to focus more on the scenery than on managing the weight of a full-size touring bike. And speaking of touring, comfort on the Gold Wing Trike is exceptional. Heated seats and grips come standard. Wind protection is top tier thanks to the adjustable windscreen, and both rider and passenger seats are sculpted for all-day support. Technology is another major highlight. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike includes a crisp 7-inch TFT display that integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and phone functions. Voice commands, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in GPS make it feel more like a luxury car than a motorcycle. The audio system is premium quality, letting you blast your playlist even at highway speeds with remarkable clarity. Honda's attention to convenience is clear in details like the reverse assist function, a must-have for maneuvering a trike in tight parking situations, as well as hill start assist, keyless ignition, and electronic preload adjustment, which fine-tunes suspension settings based on passenger and luggage weight. Storage is a big win here. The rear trunk is large enough to swallow a couple of full-face helmets or weekend luggage, while the integrated panniers add more room for gear, making this a true long-haul touring machine. And thanks to the lower center of gravity and planted three-wheel layout, the trike handles the added cargo with ease. Visually, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike has a commanding presence. The bodywork is sleek, the lines are aerodynamic, and the LED lighting, especially the full-width rear tail light, gives it a premium look day or night. Everything from the paint finish to the control switchgear feels like it belongs on a much more expensive machine. This isn't just a motorcycle that happens to have three wheels, it's a fully realized vision of what a luxury touring trike should be. Ultimately, the Gold Wing Trike fills a very specific niche, and it does so brilliantly. It's perfect for riders who want the prestige and performance of a Honda Gold Wing but with added comfort, security, and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a more relaxed experience, or someone who has always wanted to tour on two now three wheels without the intimidation factor, this machine delivers. Honda has just